Welcome the our channel. Today we how to uninstall RingCentral desktop client, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by locating the RingCentral desktop client on your computer. If you're using Windows, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Next, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once the Control Panel window opens, find and click on Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, scroll down until you find RingCentral. Click on RingCentral to select it. Now, look for the Uninstall button located at the top of the window and click it. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the program. Click Yes to proceed. Wait a few moments as the uninstallation process completes. Once it's finished, you can close the control panel. If you're on a Mac, start by opening Finder. Go to the Applications folder from the left sidebar. Find the RingCentral app in this folder. Click and hold the RingCentral icon until you see the option to move to trash. Release the icon to send it to the trash. To ensure the app is fully uninstalled, right-click on the trash icon in the dock. Select Empty Trash to remove the app completely from your system. Now, you have successfully uninstalled the RingCentral desktop client from your computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.